Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to guide you through step-by-step process on how to download IDFC Credit Card app. If you are an Android user, you can find this app on your Play Store, and for iPhone user, open App Store. After opening your App Store, you can see search icon on the bottom right corner. Click on it. Now click on the search bar and type in IDFC. Scroll down a little bit until you see this logo. Click on it. Here you can see Get option. Now click on Get. Now it will ask for your verification. Now your download has been started and it may take some time. After your download is completed, click on Open option, and this is it. We have successfully downloaded IDFC Credit Card app. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below. Thank you.